So, before we go to the New Year bundles, can I talk about the bonuses? Kasi lahat ng taong kukunta at kukuha ng bundles, meron silang bonus. There are 6 bonuses all in all when you get a bundle. Jomar, ano yung bundle? It's a set of courses put together tapos binaba ko yung price sobra. So here is bonus number 1. So everybody gets these bonuses, okay? So this is a live Zoom like this, no? It's called the Better Success Ideas from 600 years ago. Part 2 kasi ginawa ko na yung part 1 dati. So these are even more ideas that you can chew on and learn from. Hindi galing sa mga bestsellers sa bookstore like I did before. Ganun ako maniwala dati. Sabi ko, ay, ang ganda ng libro, bago, mabasa nga. Tapos, later I figured na books I've been reading are just repeat hundreds or thousands of years na wisdom. And I decided why don't I just read from the original source? I read the bad works and the good works para ma-compare ko sila. When I say bad words, mga talagang asama talaga nito. Real old books. And para ma-compare ko yung wisdom na nakukuha from the real classics, no? And I don't mean Wizard of Oz. 600 years ago. These are success ideas that a lot of people from olden days have applied and are still applying today. Pero na lost kasi masyado tayong secular, masyado tayong pera. Okay? Or self-made millionaire style, ganon. So this is the first bonus. It's gonna be a live video na parang ganito, tapos gonna give you access to the recording. Pero for a limited time. Okay? Bonus number 2 is I discovered a way to change your spouse. If you have a spouse, parents na mahal mo, or children na mahal mo, pero wala na sila, napariwara na sila sa buhay, hindi sila nakikinig sa'yo. How do you change them? Secretly. So there are ways to do this from experience, and not just my experience, other people's experience. I'm going to share you how this has happened. Now, ako, and I didn't notice it. So, yun ang maganda doon. So, ako yung result. So, if you believe na nagbago si Jomar, hindi na siya ganun, ito yung proseso. Okay? So, let me share this to you. Very, very, very important and powerful secret. Bonus number 3 is meron akong recordings ng Affiliate Marketing 101 na 4 sessions yon. You get this normally kung bumili yung aking Second Incomes na book. Sorry, hindi nyo makita. Ito yung package. It has a bonus book. Pero ito yung itsura ng libro. If you get this book, Second Incomes, meron kang option to buy the recordings. Okay? Option, hindi lahat. The first set of people who bought the book, they got the recordings for free. Okay? But the next set, they have to buy it. Now, you cannot buy it if you haven't purchased this, but now you get it for free as a bonus for the bundles. All right. So, marketing using these 4 recordings we did like 2 months ago lang. Okay? Next is, another bonus is Overcoming Limiting Beliefs 303. This is a recording I did with my students in affiliate marketing from 2 years ago. Pinag-usapan namin actually nag-usap sila tungkol sa limiting beliefs in affiliate marketing. Very instructive. Ma-overcome mo yung mga beliefs na mali, na naglilimit sa'yo. Next bundle bonus is using AI to handle boring finances. Ano yun, Jomar? Ang finances, hindi mo na-handle yan properly. Ang mangyayari, zero yung nangyayari sa finances mo, which is crazy, no? Now, para maayos mo yan, kailangan ma-handle mo yan. Maharap mo yan, maayos mo yan, yung mga finances ng buhay mo. Company, personal. Ang problema, mahirap kasi nakaka-bore i-handle. So I figured out a way to use AI para yung magulo mong finances, I'll show you how to do that. This is a technical course na demo to, papakita using AI para ma-finances mo. And I'm talking about personal finances lang, ha? I use this for corporate finances, pero you can also use it for technically for personal finances. One of the big secrets I learned when I was an employee was if you report to yourself, single ka, di ba? Yung finances mo written down, hindi lang papel, sa Excel, Google Sheets, mas maganda yung chances mo na yumaman. Kasi nire-report mo sa sarili mo ang just saying. Okay? And final bonus out of these 6 bonuses is the woman who can help you in your success. Humingi ka ng tulong sa kanya, tutulungan ka niya in many, many ways to help your success. And it's not just like one sentence. Maraming detalye itong woman na to kasi she was there to help you. Unfortunately, a lot of people just ignore this woman. And it's not Oprah. So, total, all in all, you get all of these bonuses for free. These are 6 bonuses. All you gotta do to get this value of 60,000 pesos is to get a bundle. And so, let's talk about the bundles. There are 7 bundles in all. And I'm gonna go through them one by one quickly. All right? So, ready na po tayo sa mga bundles 2025. So, this is the first time I've ever done a 2025 New Year bundle, laging Christmas bundle. So, first bundle we have is valued at 10,000 pesos. It's about mindset, about money. 2 hours of pay your debts, how to do that. This is demo and how I did pay my debts. Plus yung mga mindset about pagbabayad ng utang. So if you're that kind of person na maraming utang, tapos if you're trying to do online selling, merong mindset ang online selling, you don't know how to close in online selling, you learn from how I do it in this another 2-hour session. So total 4 hours, valued at 10,000. Yours now at 1,799. Yan yung first money mindset bundle. Please remember, when you get that, you get 60,000 pesos worth of value. All of this, okay? Pag kinuha mo yung first bundle. So let's go to the second bundle, which is AI Basic, 5,000 peso value. You get 13 sessions, mga essentially 13 hours of Prompt Engineering 101, 202, 303, kung paano gumamit ng AI to do so many impossible things. Dati imposible, ngayon posible na. To get all 13 sessions for only 1,999. Dati siya 5,000 value. When you go to 101, that is kakalabas lang ng ChatGPT. So talagang very early days yan. Pero yung tinuro ko dyan, advanced na agad. Pagdating ng 202, hindi na kami nagcha-ChatGPT dyan. Pagdating ng 380, definitely hindi na ChatGPT. Pero we just use it to compare other tools. 303 contains yung mga advanced stuff na even today hindi pa siya uso. Okay, so that's AI Basic. From 5,000 is now 1,999. Number 3, bundle AI Advanced, 15,000 peso value. Ito na yung super advanced ko. AI plus Automation 303. 11 sessions, essentially 11 hours. Majority of these are demo, paano gumamit ng AI. Pero kasama na lahat ng prompt engineering na from the AI Basic. So to get the AI Advanced, you just get it for 2,999 instead of 15,000 pesos. Lahat 101, 202, yung mga beginner, advanced AI plus automation kasi it includes not just AI but automation tools that I use as well. From 15,000 is now 2,999. Plus, if you get that, you also get all these bonuses worth 60,000 pesos. May mga live meetings. Bawat isang box na nakita mo dito, except for these two, these are 6 live sessions using Zoom with recordings. So you get more than just a series of videos. You also get people, interaction, ability to ask questions for 6 times. Usually mga 12 hours lahat-lahat ito if you were to compute the number of times you will be spending together just so you would learn all of these. Okay? So that's Advanced AI Advanced, only 299 from 15,000. Let's go to the next one. Online Business 101. Instead of ang value na 40,000, you will get 12 sessions of marketing blueprints. Binoblow up dyan. Napakita dyan. Paano kumita to? Paano kumita to? 12 different businesses. How do they earn from the internet? Para makita ng utak mo yung pattern. And then, there is the Vertical Video Cash Challenge. 26 sessions of extensively using video to promote something. This is very early days. Itong vertical video na to. Wala pang TikTok, tinuro ko na to. Online Business Masterclass is 17 sessions. This alone is super high value. I think I sold it for 25,000. This alone, Online Business Masterclass, internals of an online business. Okay, in 17 hours, approximately 17 hours. Pwedeng double. So all of those worth 40,000, actually even worth more, is now just at 8,999. Para talagang maintindihan, paano ba talaga yung internet business na yan? Simula ka dito for overview, magsimula ka dito for makita mo lahat ng parts, tapos paano mo gagawin yan? Mag-run ka, create ka ng videos dito ka sa Vertical Video Cash Challenge. Okay? Again, if you get the Online Business 101 for only 8,999, you will also get 60,000 pesos of bonuses. All right. Next bonus we have is completely different from the others. It's called No Videos to Watch Lessons, valued at 50,000. Ano yung sabihin nun? Pag wala kang video papanoodin. Kasi all the other courses or bundles I have, meron kang mga 13 hours, 26 hours na papanoodin. Ito, zero. Ching! Kung may papanoodin ka dito, 1 second, 1 minute, 1 minute lang na video. Hindi naman 1 second. So, ano laman ito? TikTok Courage Challenge. Pupasukin mo yung private, tapos doon nagtuturo ako. Inside TikTok, no? Extremely short videos. essentially papasadahan mo laman ng aking TikTok account na yon. Makikita mo paano mag-TikTok. Kasi ini-step by step ko dun sa account kung paano mag-TikTok. Babasahin mo lang inside your phone, text, a few videos, very few. Then the second one is the social media copywriting. Ito panay do this in Canva. Instructions lang na who created the content before you, years before you. So pwede mo compare yung output mo sa output nila. Very good if you want to learn how to paano mag-promote sa social media. Ganon. Okay? Then the next one is freedom challenges. This is mostly Canva pero it's all about virtual assistant work. Okay, virtual assistant work, yung freedom challenge. Iba-ibang, again, wala tong video, just instructions on what you should do. Plus yung mga gawa ng ibang tao, makikita mo. Plus yung comments ko sa gawa nila. So makita mo, mali pala yun. Ay, tama pala yun. Ganon. Again, no videos to watch, 50,000 value. Lastly is my massive 25,000 peso Words for Wealth copywriting. Wala ding video yan. Just instructions para matutunan mo paano mag-copywriting using storytelling. This alone is 25,000 pesos. The entire value is 50,000. Walang stress kasi sobrang ang iksi ng video to. May instruction, gawin mo lang. Ganon. Of course, kung hindi ka marunong, there's probably a short how-to there. Basically, now, all the 50,000 value for only 9,999. Again, if you get no videos to watch lessons, you will also get 60,000 pesos worth of bonuses. The second to the last na bundle, which is the Profitable Funnels Mentoring, 25,000 peso value. This is a live course ongoing this 2025. We will go through the whole year. Every week ito ang meeting, every Thursday. We already have 14 sessions, pero mabagal ang pacing nito. It will teach you will learn how to do affiliate marketing from scratch. I take care of all the technical problems. You take care of creating content. Pero pati yun, tinuturo ko paano gawin using AI. Ang value nito, 25 talaga. But you can get in at the lowest price today at 17,999. Why should you join now? Because meron kami tinatawag na disappearing bonus. Pag sumali ka ngayon, makikita mo yung bonus. Pag sumali ka tomorrow, later, mawawala na yung mga older bonuses. The bonuses exist only, it is in PFM, may sarili silang set of bonuses eh. The bonuses will only exist inside Profitable Funnels Mentoring for 60 days. So far, may mga dalawa na nabura kong bonus. Profitable Funnels Mentoring. So, if you come early, you'll get to see the bonuses. Alright? And sa kanila lang exclusive yung bonuses na yun. Now, lowest price ever, $17.99, 16 months of mentoring, akin ng technical, talagang magsa-set up ka talaga ng online business using affiliate marketing. Yan. And finally, we have our last Get It All bundle. You can get all of this valued at 140,000 pesos for only 39,999. Very good kung may pamilya ka, share mo sa kanila for only 39,999. Makukuha mo silang lahat. I-distribute mo yan. Wala kang may utang ka, family member, bili ko sa iyo to. May anak ka, kailangan matuto ng AI. Anak, sa iyo yung AI basic. Meron kang marketing na kakilala, friend, pagbigay mo sa kanya yung AI advanced. Ganyan. Kasi ikaw, pag-aralan mo ngayon itong copywriting or yung online business or VA ka, meron kang VA team, gusto mo matutunan lahat ito para sa VA team mo, buy once, share to your VA team. So these are the lowest price possible. Again, if you buy the PFM, you also get these bonuses plus the PFM bonuses that I did not mention. And if you get, obviously, the Get It All bundles, you also get these bonuses, 60,000 pesos. So let's go summarize it. Better Money Mindset, 1,799 from 10,000. AI Basic, 1,999 from 5,000. AI Advanced, 299 from 15,000. Online Business 101, 8,999 from 40,000. No videos to watch, lessons, 9,999 from 50,000 value. Yung PFM, Profitable Funnels Mentoring, from 25,000 naging 17,999 na lang. And this is live. We will meet every week for 1 year, 16 months. And you can also get it all for 39,999 and share it to your team. For each one of these bundles, you win all of these. You get all of these 60,000 pesos worth of bonuses. And these are the summary of the 7 bundles. Now, this is the QR code. It has been here kanina pa, but I will show you this one so you can scan it, take a look at it. Tingnan mo ngayon yung summary kasi I just presented it for you. So, for New Year bundles. So, yun lang po. That's all. I have for tonight. Thank you so much for joining me. My goal for you is to have a more organized life like this by using the wisdom from very very classic ancient now people and writings while learning how to make money from the internet using affiliate marketing, second incomes, or AI, or copywriting, or any other thing. So these are my 2025 New Year bundles. Thank you so much for joining me. If you have questions, please just send a message or email me. Padala ko na lang sa inyo ang aking email address here para makita ninyo ang email address. Just send an email there if you guys have any questions. So much for joining today. I don't know the rest of you. Si Kim lang alam ko. Okay, so thank you so much, Kim, for joining me. And if you want me to acknowledge you pa, shout out, sabihin nyo sino kayo, lagay nyo na lang sa chat, okay? Because I cannot see the other members. Si Kim. Salamat for joining me, and yeah, it's great if you take a look at this website, right? And give yourself a chance to have a happy, happy New Year and a happy Jubilee. God bless everyone. Salamat.